What's up guys, I'm SOLOUD710 and today I'm back with another video. Today's video is gonna be an edible mukbang, and I thought the perfect way to start out an edible mukbang is with the drinks. So I actually have one for Sky and one for myself. I'm gonna take the blue Raz and I'm gonna pour her up the tiger's blood. She's like upstairs chilling and shit, so I'm about to go like scroll up a blunt, you know, and then just start eating all my edibles. But just thought I'd introduce these syrups because they don't have a label. They just have the flavor on them. I got them from a really nice guy the other day. He runs a company. I think it's called like Power Nap or something. I actually have to get the name of their company. I just know they're not too big online and they're not too big on like anything. So he just wanted me to try the syrups. I think this is a really cool looking syrup so far. It doesn't look too liquidy, but we'll see when we pour it out. I just thought I'd say it like, you know, before everybody's like, what kind of syrup is that? What kind of, and I don't know, but looks fire. So we're gonna try it out.
That one went so insane. Are you okay?
I'm so glad you're here for
God,
this. I was really about to go get you and shit. You just came. I was like, I'm just gonna open it right now. Yeah, I got a lighter on. Bruh, take two on that. Sky literally just came downstairs to like make some food or whatever and like caught that. She's seen that whole freaking thing, bro. I feel dumb. It's all good. Blue raspberry, here we go. For a random guy, this guy knows how to fucking package something. What the fuck? Yeah, it's childproof. Oh, that smells so fire. Okay. Ooh. Oh.
Shit.
Oh. That looks fire at the bottom. You can't really see it because it's like so blue. Well, you can, but you can't. It just looks thick. Boom. Boom. I'm scared to open this back up. I can feel it like carbonating and shit. And when I open this back up, it's gonna explode. I promise you that. It's just making me nervous.
You gotta take it slow.
I didn't really use that much. I used like an ounce. This is a 4-ounce bottle. Can you see it? I'm gonna pour the, oh! I need to stop getting so excited with this shit. I'm gonna pour the whole bottle in here though. I'm gonna put all of it in when I can fit it in. This is gonna be some of the best stuff I've had so far. Because every single syrup so far, you could taste like a really thick thing or like it tastes like weed in your mouth. This is really good. This is actually really, really good. I like it a lot. How much is left in here? Literally 1 ounce exactly is left. Whoa. Let's get it. I didn't like that. You're supposed to mix that up, man. That wasn't a bad taste. I just didn't like that. It looks like one of those like lava lamps when you mix it around because it's so syrupy. It's like real. I don't know if they made this with distillate. I don't think he made this with distillate, man, because like I've had this bottle for a while, and usually when you make syrups with distillate, it like puts like a ring around like the whole bottle, like wherever it sits. If it's like filled up to here, it'll leave a bottle, like a ring around the bottle of distillate, like right where it sits. And like this didn't do that, and it's not mixing like distillate would. Normally distillate would sit at the top of the bottle. This is actually really cool. I don't know what he made it with. I need to find that guy. Oh, now I need to go find Sky and give her hers. This should look fire. I just got upstairs and Honestly, I should have put this shit over some ice. Tastes amazing. I mixed up Sky's, by the way. Where's yours? And she already started drinking hers. I don't know where hers is. There it is. Can I taste yours?
It's really good.
It is. Do you want to taste mine?
Yeah.
I fuck with mine.
Oh, blue raspberry?
You just run up the stairs?
Yeah, and I'm like out of breath.
Out of quench your thirst.
I like that one.
Fuck yeah. I got a whole bag of goodies here. I'm gonna start off with this. Actually, no. This is so heavy on my stomach. I actually just ate some pizza, so I don't know why I decided to do this after I just ate. I don't know. But, alright, so you know what? Let's start off with something light. I got these mints. They're Kiva Petra mints. 4 Petra mints. Compliments of Kiva Confections. This says they're 2.5 milligrams each. And there's 4 in here. So 2 4, 6, 8. I get too fucking mad. This is like 10 milligrams. Oh, they're minty as fuck. It smells like toothpaste. Here's a mint. Focus. Focus on my mint. It won't focus, but still. These are good.
Yeah?
They're good. I have to eat them all.
You don't have to.
I'll eat them throughout the video because I'm not really a fan of mints, but it's interesting. That was interesting. Here's my decrepit bag of goodies. It holds all the magic in here. So, I have some 3 Heads Company sharks. These are gummy sharks, 50 milligrams each, so there's 500 total in the bag. That means it's probably like, what, like 10 in here or something? I feel like there's more than 10. It looks like a lot more than 10. So probably more than 500 milligrams in there. This is also from 3 Heads. It says sugar-free butterflies, 50 milligrams each, so 500 total in the bag. Sugar-free butterflies, that actually really intrigued me. What do these taste like? Sugar-free gummies, dude? What? That's insane. They smell like ganjas. Oh man, they taste like weed, dude. I'm not gonna front. These look dirty. But that's the weed on it. I'm just gonna eat them all. Do you wanna try one?
Yeah, I'll try.
Wait, so I ate 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There was 10 in this bag.
They do look kind of dirty.
It's
all that oil.
Oh wow. You don't like it? I love it. I wanna like it. I love it.
It's so weedy.
It's such a weedy taste. I don't know how I feel. These are chewy.
What?
You have to like really chew them.
Yeah?
I'm gonna choke.
You just put like all of them in your mouth too. Oh, you didn't open.
I still got 3 more.
You put a lot in your mouth.
I got 2 green ones and a pink.
Very nice.
I should have ate them separately to see if they have different flavors.
I don't know. I feel like at this point they all taste like weed.
I'm still chewing the butterflies. Holy crap. You want to try one of these?
Yeah, sure. Okay, these smell way better.
These don't really taste like weed. I can see the weed all over the bag. They're good, right? Okay. Look at these. I'm putting them all in my mouth. These, I feel like these like don't taste like as much weed, but I feel like they're gonna get me more fucked up. I feel like the other ones were sugar free, and that's why it looked so dirty, like the weed, because it probably didn't have much to stick to, like the weed and stuff. But this has so much sugar, just like the weed can stick to it all over it, everywhere. It's like the sneaky ones fuck you up. Oh, it tastes so good, like real candy. It'll smack you. These are really, really like, the texture is more slimy. You have to chew these even more. Well, so far, there's 500 milligrams in this bag. There's 500 milligrams in the other bag. That's like 1,000 milligrams. But I gave Sky 2, so it's like 900 milligrams. I've ingested damn near 900 milligrams almost in 2 edibles. I'm probably gonna get so sick from eating all this candy. This is why I just smoke weed, guys. You don't get sick from smoking blunts. Well, unless tobacco makes you feel sick, then you probably get some type of nausea. I got one more left. There's literally weed all over my fingers. Last baby shark. Do. And now I have, wow, okay. Now I have, excuse me, some nerds from Boss Lady Products. These are medicated nerds. I'm not too sure how many milligrams. I want to say like 500 milligrams, 300 to 500 milligrams. I know it's like somewhere in the hundreds. It's not like in the thousands or anything. But these are the, it's child-proof, man. This is always the issue. Okay. Oh, good thing I'm an adult. Can you see them? These are, I think, the cherry ones, the wild cherry or just the regular cherry. Kind of sour. This is from Infinite Extracts. It's like a gummy. It says 150 milligrams THC, a space gummy. This one has gelatin, sugar, corn syrup, citric acid. Citric acid fucks me up, guys. Just so you know, I'm not really supposed to eat a lot of citric acid, but I do it anyway. Malic acid, coconut oil, THC, natural. There's like 5 ingredients. I'm not allergic to anything. In case you guys are, read the ingredients. Some edibles don't have ingredients though. This one does, so I thought it was important to read it. It doesn't have a flavor, but I can smell it. Green apple. Eat the nerds. It feels like I'm biting into human skin. I'm biting through an arm, or like a stomach, a shoulder. But it tastes like a tongue. Green apple tongue. These are the truth. After I'm done like with most of these nerds, I can move on to the baked goods. I just don't want to like be eating a fucking brownie and then switch over to nerds. That's kind of gross. I think the stuff that makes this edible is the white stuff on it. This is good, but if I try it with a mint, it could be like minty and sweet. That's the one I already ate. I wonder how many milligrams I have in my mouth. Ah! It's so hard for me to chew nerds. Boss Lady makes all types of different like flavors of the nerds. She has like over 10 flavors, I think, like a lot of different flavors and infinite extracts. They have like, I only seen 2 different flavors of these gummies, but they're really good. I actually didn't think it was gonna be as good as it was. In the Three Heads company, they have amazing edibles. I feel like no matter what gummy you get, it's always gonna be bomb. But they have tons. They have watermelon ones, and they have like a million different baked goods, dude, and like they make them. So I don't know, all these edibles are pretty official. Actually, I had an edible bacon, and that was from Blazing Edibles, but I took a bite of it and like I don't even know what happened to it. And then I also had, oh wow, there was like a whole ad plan. But yeah, I also had some, it was like cornbread and like it was like a banana bread type thing, and that was from Be Healthy, and that was another edible that was fire because I got 2 of them, like 2 little bread loaves, and then it came with like this like churned, like whipped edible butter. It was so good, but I actually kept that in my bag by accident and it went bad, so I didn't get to like eat those on camera. I had a lot more edibles than this. Just edibles, you know, they're perishable, and a lot of mine perished. It didn't hurt my teeth. I have like cavities that got filled. Those hurt. I got some popcorn. This is from Cali Dope Corn, Cali Pop, Cali Dope Corn. I'm not too sure exactly, but I know like their Instagram is pretty lit. They just have all these different popcorns and shit. I've been dying to try this. You could tell I've had it for a while sitting in the sun because it got all like buttery all over the package and shit, but this is about to smack, dude. Edible popcorn. This whole entire bag is like 800 milligrams or something. Like it's like a lot of milligrams for some fucking popcorn. I just sitting in the movie theater just eating this shit. Get fucked up. What the fuck? There's a graham cracker in here. Yeah, these mints are fire. I don't even think I want to eat all the mints right now. Like I want to save some of those for like a good day when I'm going to talk to some official people and I just got a mint in my mouth. I'm like, your breath smells good. What kind of mint is that? It's a Kiva Petra. 2.5 milligrams. So last time I had these popcorns, it's like they're flavored and shit, and I had like these yellow ones, and those were like banana. So I'm guessing that there's like a strawberry, blueberry thing happening here. These aren't yellow, these are like a tan, so I wouldn't be surprised if they're not just regular popcorns and there's like some type of weird flavor, but it always smacks. Yep, some type of weird flavor. The blue one is, I don't know. I don't know what any of these are. I don't know what the flavors are, but they're fucking bomb. Let's play how fast can I eat the whole bag. Let's get it. I'm gonna choke. Oh, where's my edible spray? Ah, washing down the edibles with an edible. That's fucking good. That is a good syrup. I wish my mouth was bigger. They're starting to taste creamy. Yeah. They're good, but this is a big bag, man. Oh. If you like really get to know me, you'll know that food and me are like, we're always like parallel, you know what I mean? Just like that, we don't really ever touch. And when we do, it has to be something amazing. And this is in the middle, like, you know what I mean? Like, it's not bad, it's not amazing, but I don't want to keep eating it. I feel like I'll throw up. But you know what? I'm gonna try out this graham cracker though. I wonder if this was edible.
I was gonna ask.
I remember when I stopped eating those as a kid. And they ain't that good. On to the next. 3 heads edible cake. 500 milligrams. This frosting got fucked up in the car transporting back to the house because it got melted as fuck. Jesus Christ. I think I need a burp. It's so good. I don't want those M&Ms though. I don't like M&Ms. I'm dropping everything under this one. Okay. Super good. Super good. I must move on to the next. I'm becoming so full. I wouldn't exactly call this a mukbang, because I know a mukbang is supposed to eat everything, but this is a SOLOUD tries all. SOLOUD tries all the edibles. Okay. Organic chocolate brownie, 3 heads company, 300 milligrams total. Do you see this fucking brownie, dude? I'm about to marry 3 heads. They got the craziest shit, man. Open though, what the fuck? They need to make it less childproof, because I mean, I'm having trouble here. And it has chocolate chips in it. I am living for the middle part, bruh. This is so good. Oh my god. Alright, but I gotta stop eating these because if I don't, I'm gonna get way too full. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You've seen me eat like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 7 different edibles. I really hope you enjoyed this video for real. If you did, give it a like, a share, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel. You already know what it is, Loud Fam. Stay lit. This is actually something I never do, which is come back 30 minutes after to 45 minutes later, more or less, and like show you guys the after effect of like how the edibles made me feel basically. And like I am high and I'm tired and I'm going through the motions of eating that many edibles. God damn it, dude. Yeah, I'm tired as fuck. I actually ate some more edibles after I ended the video, and I'm just high and I'm tired. And I'm gonna take a nap now, so everybody stay lit.